Mm. Good morning, students. Welcome to our class. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Now here we will done exercise 5.7, right? In the last lecture, we have completed exercise 5.7. Now we'll move ahead with some miscellaneous examples, exercise and extra sums. We have done all this type of derivative. हमने जो different types of derivatives थी, that is by using the chain rule, implicit functions and all that we have done, the trigonometric inverse function and all, हमने सारी कर दी है. Now we have to make a practice of it, right? Okay, so here is the example 44, miscellaneous example है. Differentiate with respect to x. That is, here y is equal to this is given and you have to find the differential with respect to x. So that we will write this y as, here I will write 3x plus 2 raised to 1 by 2 and 2x square plus 4 raised to minus 1 by 2, right? अगर पावर फॉर्म में लिखते हैं then it is easier for us to differentiate. रूट में भी कर सकते हैं डायरेक्ट. इफ रूट एक्स की डेरिवेटिव 1/2 रूट एक्स है तो ये रूट है तो 1/2 रूट कर सकते हैं, बट इससे ये इजी हो जाएगा. नाउ हियर इज इफ वी फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव, तो पावर की डेरिवेटिव पहले होगी. सो इट इज n दैट इज 1/2 x रेज़ टू 1/2 माइनस 1 n x रेज़ टू n माइनस 1 वाली फॉर्मूला करेंगे, फिर बेस की डेरिवेटिव करेंगे. सो हियर इज dy by dx is equal to 1/2 3x plus 2 raised to minus 1/2 and x raised to n minus 1 into d by dx of 3x plus 2. Here n x raised to minus 1/2 minus 1, that is minus 3/2 into d by dx of 2x square plus 4, right? Then this is the negative power and 1/2 power है तो we'll take it in the denominator as a square root. So we will write 1/2 root 3x plus 2 and the derivative of 3x is 3, 2 is 0. So we'll write here 3. Derivative of 3x is 3 upon this. Plus minus minus. Here again it is a raised to the power minus 3/2. We'll take it in the denominator. So 1/2 2x square plus 4 raised to 3/2. This 2 and here it is into derivative of 2x square, that is 4x. So here it is 4x. 4x 2x square की डेरिवेटिव 4x हो गई, 4 की डेरिवेटिव 0 हो गई. So our answer is here, right? Understand? So no need to simplify now anything. Okay? So this is the example 44. इसका question number 1. Then उसी में question number 2 है. Example 44 का question number 2 is y is equal to e raised to sec square x plus 3 cos inverse x. Okay. Now here dy by dx. What is the derivative of e raised to x? Is e raised to x. So e raised to sec square x, that is e raised to sec square x into chain rule will use d by dx of sec square x plus 3 कांस्टेंट cos इनवर्स x की डेरिवेटिव होगी माइनस 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर. नाउ इट इज इक्वल टू e raised to sec square x. Now here first again chain rule will use, that is 2 पहले पावर की डेरिवेटिव फिर बेस की. So that is sec square है तो 2 sec x into d by dx of sec x plus minus minus 3 upon under root 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sec x into sec x. The derivative is sec x tan x into e raised to sec square x minus 3 under root 1 minus x square. Again you will find here sec square x. So we'll write 2 sec square x tan x e raised to sec square x minus 3 1 minus x square. So now this is the answer or derivative of this question number 2, right? Okay. Now example 44, that is question 3 is also there, right? So the third question है y is equal to log of log x base 7. So here it is, we have to use the base change rule. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? बेस चेंज का रूल अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. हाउ टू अप्लाई इट? जो मैंने लॉगरिथम फंक्शन समझाया था तब मैंने बताया था आपको दैट हाउ दिस बेस चेंज रूल इज यूज्ड, राइट? सो कैसे यूज करेंगे? दैट y इज इक्वल टू, हमें ऑलवेज बेस e चाहिए. डेरिवेटिव करने के लिए बेस कौन सा चाहिए? e. तो log ऑफ, हियर इज नथिंग इज गिवन, तो ये बेस e है, राइट? तो हियर इट इज log ऑफ log x बेस e, जो हम नहीं लिखते हैं, अपॉन log 7 बेस e. ये इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? ये 7 है, मैंने यहाँ लिया तो log a log e. Here is log of log x बेस e, और ये 7 है तो log of 7 अपॉन बेस e. जैसे हम बेस चेंज का रूल करते हैं लाइक दिस, log b बेस e, तो उसे कैसे लिखेंगे? log b बेस e अपॉन log a बेस e, लाइक दिस. So log of log x base e, log of 7 base e. That is the base change rule that we have already discussed. मैंने आपको बताया था, it is very important. Why we have to change the base? Because derivative log x base e की है हमारे पास, right? Okay. So now dy by dx. So here log 7 base e is constant. So we will take it log 7 बेस e हर बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. नथिंग इज गिवन, दैट इज बेस e कंसीडर किया जाता है. ओके. नाउ log ऑफ log x. सो फर्स्ट ये log की डेरिवेटिव होगी 1 अपॉन log x इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ दिस ब्रैकेट, दैट इज log x. फर्स्ट ये डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन log x इंटू log x की डेरिवेटिव. सो नाउ विल राइट द फाइनल आंसर इज log x की डेरिवेटिव होगी 1 अपॉन x, फिर ये कांस्टेंट है log 7 एंड ये है log x. दिस इज आवर आंसर, राइट? सो बेस चेंज का रूल आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. दैट कीप इन माइंड ऑलवेज whenever you find the derivative of log, the base should be e. If nothing is given, you consider the base e है. But whenever it is given some another, you have to use the base change rule and take it e, right? Okay. Now here is the end of example 44. Then we'll do example 45. Example 45 is differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. The first is cos inverse of sin x. Second is tan inverse of sin x upon 1 plus cos x. And the third is sin inverse 2 raised to x plus 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x. Okay. Now फर्स्ट जो है cos इनवर्स ऑफ sin x. तो हियर cos इनवर्स ऑफ sin x को हमें cos इनवर्स के साथ यहाँ cos चाहिए, तो कैसे चेंज कर देंगे? नथिंग कंडीशन इज गिवन. तो दैट इज व्हाट cos इनवर्स. हियर sin x की जगह इंस्टेड ऑफ sin x आई विल राइट cos pi by 2 minus x. यस और नो? pi by 2 minus is the first quadrant. ये इनवर्स नहीं है, ये ओरिजिनल ट्रिगोनोमेट्री है. So here pi by 2 minus, that is sin x, right? तो sin x की जगह पे ये लिखा. Now cos inverse and cos will be cancelled because pi by 2 minus is in the first quadrant. एंड फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है इसलिए कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So you will write here pi by 2 minus x is y. If y is equal to this, you have to find the derivative with respect to x only. Okay. Therefore, here is dy by dx. Pi by 2 is constant, so it is 0. X की derivative होगी 1, so our answer is minus 1. You understand that? So the question number 1 is here. Okay, right? Okay. Now, if cos inverse of sin x है और आपको ऐसा याद नहीं आया एग्जाम में कि यहाँ पे मुझे cos x में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो क्या करेंगे? If you find the direct derivative, then also you get the answer. क्योंकि कोई भी कंडीशन या इनइक्वालिटी या कुछ भी दिया नहीं है. So if you find the direct derivative dy by dx, तो cos इनवर्स x की डेरिवेटिव है 1 upon minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So here it is what? Minus 1 upon under root 1 minus sin square x. और sin x की डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगी cos x. Now minus 1 upon 1 minus sin square is cos square. And cos square and square root is removed, that is cos x into cos x. So get is cancelled and you get the answer minus 1. By this way also you can do this sum, क्योंकि कोई भी inequality या condition नहीं है. Right? Okay. Then we'll move on. Question number 2. So here is y is equal to tan inverse. You know sin x जब था तो हम क्या लिखते थे? What is the formula for sin x? That is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 here. Instead of 1, if I want to make it here 1 plus cos x, so instead of that it is the formula of cos 2x, right? तो cos 2x की जगह 1 plus cos x की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, it is 2 cos square x by 2, right? 11th की फॉर्मूला को याद कीजिए. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 and 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2, right? Okay. Now here is tan inverse 2 cancel, एक cos cancel, तो sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. अब आपको पता चला कि मैंने ये फॉर्मूला क्यों यूज की है? Because I want to convert this into the tan, right? And therefore tan inverse of tan x by 2. If it is tan x by 2, then tan inverse and tan cancelled. Hope that, wish that you consider that x by 2 is what? It is in the domain of tan, because the any condition is not given. So that is equal to y is x by 2. If y is x by 2, then what is this derivative dy by dx? It is 1 by 2, right? Okay. This is question number 2. Then we'll move on to the third question. Sine inverse of, here, that is next is sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse 2 raised to x plus 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x, right? Okay, so here it is. So here is the sine inverse, right? So we can write this. अगर हम sine inverse का direct derivative करेंगे, then it is too much lengthy, right? This term is lengthy. So we'll simplify that sine inverse 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 1. Can I write like this? Yes. 1 plus 2 raised to x square. Yes or no? It is 2 square, that is 4 raised to x. So now let 2 raised to x is equal to tan theta. If we take it tan theta, then y is equal to sine inverse 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. Wherever is the 2 raised to x, we replace by tan theta. So this is the formula of sine inverse sine 2 theta. That is cancel. Y is equal to 2 theta. But what is theta here? Theta is tan inverse 2 raised to x. So we'll write here 2 tan inverse 2 raised to x. This is our y. So now it is easy terms than this. So we can find the derivative of this term. Yes. So that dy by dx is equal to 2. The derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 1 upon 1 plus 2 raised to x square into d by dx of 2 raised to x. So that is equal to, you know what is the derivative of 2 raised to x? 2 raised to x, here a raised to x form है. So that is 2 raised to x की derivative क्या हो जाएगी? ये 2. 2 raised to x log 2 base c. You know that a raised to x log a base c. So 2 raised to x की derivative 2 raised to x log 2 base c. Right? Upon 1 plus here is 4 raised to x. So now here what is it? 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to x. So what is it? 2 raised to x plus 1 log 2 base c 1 plus 4 raised to x. Understand that? Okay. So this is our answer. So by this way you can take this and do the sum easier, right? That is our example 45 is over. Now we'll move on to the example 46. Example 46. Here it is, find f dash x if fx is equal to sin x raised to sin x for all 0 less than x less than pi. Okay. So here is our function is what? Fx. And what you want to find? F dash x. F dash x find करना है. That means what you have to do that the derivative with respect to x dy by dx आपको find करना है, right? The function is given here sin x raised to sin x. You know that it is the positive real number. That what whenever the power में जब भी हमारा कोई function आता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? We'll take the log. Whenever पावर में x है, पावर में कोई फंक्शन है तो उसको इजियर बनाने के लिए, इजीली डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? यू विल फाइंड टेक द लॉग ऑन बोथ द साइड. सो दैट हियर वी कैन टेक दैट y is equal to sin x raised to sin x. We can write like this. Yes. Okay. And therefore apply log on both the side. Log y is equal to sin x log of sin x, right? ये sin x power आ गए log of sin x. Now if you find the derivative on both the side, that is 1 upon y dy by dx. log की derivative है और y है तो हमने लिखा dy by dx is equal to, here is the 2 function, so we'll use the multiplication rule. Sin x constant, d by dx of this is what? पहले log की डेरिवेटिव 1 upon sin into sin की डेरिवेटिव cos x plus log of sin x is constant. Here log of sin x constant and sin x is derivative cos x, right? हमने क्या किया है यहाँ पे? Multiplication rule. Sin x constant, derivative of this, ये constant, derivative of this. And when you find the derivative of log of sin x, तो पहले log की derivative 1 upon sin और sin की derivative है cos is equal to, now sin and sin cancel, so it is dy by dx. तो y इस तरफ, तो y क्या है हमारा? It is sin x raised to sin x. Sin cancel, it becomes cos x plus here cos x log of sin x. So this is the answer, right? Okay. So it is, you can also take cos x cancel, common, right? यहाँ से हम cos x को common ले सकते हैं. तो cos x then we'll take sin x raised to sin x 1 plus, take it common, log of sin x. Understand that? So this is our example 46. We take the log on both the side because power में the function is there. जब भी power में function होता है, exponent होता है, so we will take the log on both the side and then find the derivative that you understand. Okay? Now example 47. Example 47 is find dy by dx where y is equal to a t plus 1 upon t and x is equal to t plus 1 upon t raised to a where a is constant. A is constant, right? Okay. So here is the first is given here. Y is equal to a raised to the power t plus 1 upon t, right? So what is the derivative here? Derivative क्या होगी? A raised to x form है. तो a raised to x log a base. So here is dy by dt. Now it is implicit function, right? Sorry, parametric form. Parametric form, that is what? यहाँ पे parameter कौन सा है? t है. So it is parametric form. So we'll find dy by dt, dx by dt, then dy by dx find कर सकते हैं like this. Recall कीजिए आप, right? So that dy by dt. So here is a raised to t, that is a t plus 1 upon t into log a base into, but यहाँ पे t plus 1 upon t है, not a raised to t only. So we have to write the derivative of this bracket also, right? पहले a raised to t log a base और फिर bracket chain rule use करना पड़ेगा. So that a raised to t 1 upon t log a base, or here is the derivative 1 minus 1 upon t square, right? That is here if you multiply this, और अगर आप ओपन कर देते हैं ब्रैकेट तो भी चलेगा, नहीं करेंगे तो ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं. Now x is what? t plus 1 upon t raised to a constant है तो उसको x raised to n फॉर्म लगेगा, that is nx raised to n minus 1 वाली फॉर्मूला, right? So we will find dx by dt is equal to a t plus 1 upon t raised to a minus 1 into d by dt of t plus 1 upon t. So a t plus 1 upon t raised to a minus 1. Here is the derivative is 1 minus 1 upon t square. Right or not? Yes. Now this is dx by dt. This is dy by dt. We want to find dy by dx is equal to. So dy by dt upon dx by dt. That is dy by dt is a raised to the power this log a 1 minus 1 upon t square upon, here again, a t plus 1 upon t raised to a minus 1 minus 1 upon t square, right? So 1 minus 1 upon t square will be cancelled, right? So what is it now? Here a raised to the power t plus 1 upon t. हम इसे ऊपर लेके -1 कर सकते हैं. Here is, right? Okay. A raised to the power t plus 1 upon t, फिर log a upon a t plus 1 upon t raised to a minus 1. This is the derivative of y dy by dx. That is our parametric form, right? Simple है? Yes. Then 48. Example 48. Differentiate sin raised to 2x with respect to e raised to cos x. Sin raised to, here 2x is one function and cos raised to e raised to cos x is the another function. So हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? Derivative sin raised to 2x. Sorry, it is not a sin raised to 2x, it is some printing mistake. Sin square x है. Okay, so differentiate sin square x with respect to this. मतलब कि if I will write u of x is equal to sin square x and v of x is equal to e raised to cos x, तो इसकी डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड du by dv. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin स्क्वायर x दैट इज du विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस मतलब dv. तो आपको फाइंड करना है du by dv. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v, du by dv. सो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? दैट इज हमारा ये पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म हो गया क्योंकि फंक्शन u v है और ये फॉर्म है x, तो x इज द पैरामीटर नाउ. सो वी विल फाइंड du by dx. फंक्शन x के फॉर्म में है तो डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x करेंगे एंड dv by dx जैसे हम पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म में करते हैं. सो वी विल फाइंड दिस. नाउ देयरफॉर du by dx इज इक्वल टू, हियर इट इज, पावर की डेरिवेटिव होगी 2 sin x इंटू बेस की डेरिवेटिव होगी cos x, राइट, एंड dv by dx. तो e raised to cos x the derivative is same e raised to cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So now here if we apply this formula du by dx is 2 sin x cos x upon dv by dx e raised to cos x minus sin x, right? So here sin x cancel. 2 cos x upon e raised to cos x. You understand that? So this is what it is, the answer of example 48. Example 48 जो है वो पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म ही है but derivative of one function with respect to another. So du by dv. तो आप du by dx फाइंड करेंगे, dv by dx and then take the division, right? Okay, so that it is the end of our all the examples. Before we go on to the miscellaneous exercise, we will do some more sums about this parametric form, right? So first do it, then we'll go ahead. Okay. Now we'll do some extra sums of that type of parametric form. Here is given that find the derivative of sin inverse x with respect to cos inverse x. तो sin inverse x को हम क्या ले लेंगे? u of x. That is equal to, and v of x is equal to cos inverse x. We want to find du by dv. So derivative of u with respect to v, that is du by dv, that is you will find du by dx upon dv by dx, right? Okay, now here du by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square and dv by dx is equal to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now if you want to find this, du by dv is equal to du by dx is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square will be cancelled and that is equal to minus 1. This all is objective of parametric form. Again, if you find the derivative of second sum is derivative of x cube with respect to log of x square. So now here is the two function is x cube and log of x square. So what we will do? U is equal to x cube and v is equal to log of x square. So now we'll find du by dx. What is du by dx is? Yes, it is 3x square. Here is the log of x square. So first of all log की डेरिवेटिव होगी 1 upon x square and x square की डेरिवेटिव होगी 2x. is the chain rule. Two function is there. So log की डेरिवेटिव 1 upon and x square की डेरिवेटिव 2x. So that the derivative is ultimately एक x कट हो जाएगा. It is 2 upon x. So now du by dv फाइंड करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे? du by dx upon dv by dx. du by dx is 3x square. dv by dx is 2 upon x. तो x ऊपर चला जाएगा. So the ultimate answer is 3 by 2 x cube. Right? So this is the second derivative, second sum. Now third is find the derivative of your third sum. Find the derivative of sec x with respect to tan square x. Okay? So ux is equal to, we will take sec x and here it is tan square x. Now first of all du by dv find करने के लिए first we'll find du by dx. So du by dx derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Derivative of v is 2 tan x into sec square x. How it is? पहले पावर की डेरिवेटिव 2 tan x as it is, tan n x raised to n minus 1. फिर बेस की डेरिवेटिव d by dx of tan x, that is sec square x. So now we'll find du by dv. That is what? du by dx and dv by dx. So that du by dx is sec x tan x. dv by dx is 2 tan x into sec square x. So tan x cancel, एक sec x cancel. What is the answer? 2 sec x. Can you say that 1 by 2 cos x also? उसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. You understand that? So this is what? Find the derivative of one function with respect to another function. Right? So ये parametric form जैसा ही है. Okay? Some more sum if you want to do here is that is here differentiate tan inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square with respect to sine inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. Here is our fourth expression. Differentiate one function with respect to another function. Okay? So here first of all, ऐसे जब sum हमने किए थे inverse function, inverse trigonometry के, so we have to take sum that x equal to what, जिससे वो formula बन जाए. So here is the, if u is equal to u of x is equal to tan inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square. And v of x is equal to sine inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. It is given. Okay. Now u में we will take let x is equal to, here हम क्या लेंगे जिससे यहाँ पे कुछ फॉर्मूला या कुछ सेट हो जाए. तो we will take x is equal to suppose sin theta. तो यहाँ पे sin थीटा अपॉन 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर इज cos थीटा हो जाएगा और वो tan थीटा होके कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो नाउ sin थीटा, सो दैट हियर u इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स, हियर इट इज sin थीटा अपॉन 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. सो इट इज tan इनवर्स sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा. सो tan inverse of tan theta and that is equal to theta. So u is equal to theta. तो u of x है तो हमें उसको x के फॉर्म में लेना पड़ेगा. That is equal to what? It is sine inverse x. And if you want to find the derivative, then du by dx. 1 upon under root 1 minus x. Right? Same way. Here if I put v of x is equal to sine inverse. X के wherever it is x, you will write sine theta. 1 minus sine square theta. Sorry, theta. So it is sine inverse 2 sine theta cos theta. Now what is 2 sine theta cos theta? It is sine 2 theta. So we'll take sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Let's cancel and 2 theta. So v of x is equal to 2 sine inverse x हो जाएगा. Wherever it is theta, you will write sine inverse x. क्योंकि हमें तो x के फॉर्म में फंक्शन चाहिए. So now we'll find the derivative dv by dx. 2 upon under root 1 minus x square. Right? Now derivative with respect to one function with respect to another function लेना है. So what I will do? du by dv. Derivative of u with respect to v is du by dv, and that is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square is du by dx, and dv by dx is 2 upon under root 1 minus x square. So our answer is 1 by 2. Right? Interesting? Yes, it is easier. Then one more extra sum will do for that. Find the derivative of here. Okay, we'll write differentiate cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, right? चलिए, here एक u एक v. Find the derivative of this with respect to this. Derivative of u with respect to v. So we will take u is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, and v is equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Right? Okay. Then what? So here it is. What is the formula? Can you imagine what is x? जब ये है तो हम क्या लेंगे? x equal to? Yes, tan theta. Yes. So let x equal to tan theta. So u is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And 1 minus tan square theta and 1 plus tan square theta is the formula of cos 2 theta. Yes. So cos 2 theta में से u of x equal to theta. So what is u of x? 2. And what is theta? Tan inverse x. So if you find the derivative with respect to x, what happened? du by dx 2 upon 1 plus x square. Right? Okay. Now here v sine inverse 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. So sine inverse, here it is sine 2 theta. That is the formula of sine 2 theta in the form of tan. So we can write v of x equal to 2 theta. Again it is 2 sine inverse, tan inverse x. Again you will find that dy by dx is dv by dx is what? 2 upon 1 plus x square. Right? So you want to find the derivative of u with respect to v. That is du by dv. So if you find this du by dv, du by dx, dv by dx, 2 upon 1 plus x square, 2 upon 1 plus x square will be cancelled, and your answer is 1. Understand that? Okay. So this is some sums that is the parametric form, you have to find the equation, find the derivative of one function with respect to another function, right? Okay, then okay, now we'll start the miscellaneous exercise of this chapter. So that differentiate with respect to x. Okay, first is y is equal to 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole raised to 9. So that first if you find dy by dx, तो 9 इज द पावर, उसकी डेरिवेटिव पहले करेंगे फिर बेस की. सो 9 आगे 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 9x प्लस 5 रेज टू 8 इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 9x प्लस 5, दैट इज 9 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 9x प्लस 5 इंटू द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 3x स्क्वायर इज 6x minus 9x की 9 और 5 की 0, right? So here is the chain rule we'll use, okay? Okay, so now here is the end of this question. If you want to take this 3 common, then also you will take, otherwise make it as it is. So if you take 3 common, then here it is 27. 3x square minus 9x plus 5 and here 3 common है तो 2x minus 3. ये लिखे, otherwise यही आंसर कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. Then question number 2 is second. Find the derivative with respect to x, that is y is equal to sin cube x plus cos raised to 6x, right? So first of all, when you find the derivative, what you will do? It is the derivative of power and then find the derivative of base. That is you will use by the chain rule, okay? So dy by dx equal to, first of all, power. तो 3 आगे 3 sin 3 minus 1 2x, that is the derivative of the power, and derivative of base sin x is cos x. Here is the chain rule, plus 6 आगे cos raised to 5x and x raised to n minus 1 into power, then base की derivative sin x, cos x की derivative minus sin x. So here it is 3 sin square x cos x plus minus minus 6 cos raised to 5x into sin x. So 3 sin x cos x common. 3 sin x cos x common. So what is it here? Sin x minus 2 cos raised to 4x, right? This is our answer. फिर कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You understand that? Okay. So now this is question number 2. Or question number 3 onwards we'll do in the next lecture, right? Here is the revision of all the rules, which is implicit function, chain rule, right? Or logarithms, exponents and all. So what is that? You have to do these sums thoroughly. It is revision. Till then, goodbye. We'll meet in the next lecture. Take care.